one more. Jamie Theriault with Future Covenant to make up the 6. About 5 1/2 furlongs on the firm turf. And the gate. And they're off. All work and no play was quick off the line. Future Covenant showing plenty of pace. Siente El Trueno right there. Nearest the inside is Stig's Deputy. All work and no play now fourth after a good start. Then comes North of Alaska between horses with the red cap, and Barracuda Bay trails. 8 lengths from leader to last. Under 4 furlongs to go. Here's Future Covenant. Future Covenant just leads the favorite Siente El Trueno inside the leader's quarters. North of Alaska third on the far turn. All work and no play out deep on the course in fourth. Then Stig's Deputy and Barracuda Bay. Future Covenant will be first to face us now. Future Covenant a couple lengths in front of North of Alaska. Siente El Trueno in between horses. All work and no play pulled stand side. Stig's Deputy and Barracuda Bay. So now they're deep in the final furlong and a half. Future Covenant kept on, leads by 3 to North of Alaska. All work and no play. Siente El Trueno fourth under pressure. Barracuda Bay. Siente El Trueno is fifth. Down toward the wire. Jamie Theriault and Future Covenant. Future Covenant by a length and a quarter to All Work and No Play. North of Alaska, Barracuda Bay. Siente El Trueno was next.